You walk into a high-end department store, pick up a $60 bottle of foundation, and assume you are buying better skin. Most people don't know this, but the beauty industry routinely applies a 400% markup to those exact products. You are not paying for superior chemistry or advanced formulas. You are paying for a heavy glass bottle, a celebrity face on a billboard, and a massive marketing campaign. The illusion of luxury shatters pretty fast when you look closely at what you are actually holding. Underneath that heavy, expensive-feeling glass exterior is usually just a cheap plastic core holding the actual product. We all face the same dilemma. We want to look polished and professional. We want that clean, high-end aesthetic when we step out the door every morning. But trying to maintain those visual standards strictly at a luxury price point has become completely unsustainable for most bank accounts. Look at the economic reality. Over the last 5 years, average wages have stayed almost completely flat. Meanwhile, luxury beauty prices have surged upward by 40%. The math simply doesn't work in our favor anymore. Dropping hundreds of dollars every few months on a daily makeup routine is no longer a viable or responsible strategy for a modern professional. It is a massive drain on your resources that you do not need to tolerate. The good news is you don't have to keep spending that money because of a scientific baseline called formulation parity. Here's the secret. Many of your favorite $10 budget cosmetics and those $80 luxury serums are engineered in the exact same chemical labs. They share the identical active ingredients sourced from the exact same chemical suppliers. When you blindly trust luxury branding, you absolutely get high aesthetic satisfaction. The bottle looks beautiful sitting on your bathroom vanity. But choosing that route results in a massive, completely unnecessary financial drain. Today, we are going to audit your makeup bag. I am going to show you 5 specific budget products that achieve 95% of the exact same visual result on your face by deliberately sacrificing the fancy packaging and the custom fragrance. You'll want to watch this till the end because the savings add up incredibly fast once you know what to look for. The luxury tax you pay at the department store counter funds the unboxing experience and the vanity packaging. It does not fund superior biological results on your skin. Let's start with your base. Our first product swap replaces a wildly popular $50 luxury skin tint with a $10 drugstore alternative. When you apply these to your face, the biological outcome is indistinguishable. Both products utilize an identical silicone water emulsion. That specific chemistry is what creates the exact same smooth, blurring effect over your pores. Look at the breakdown. A $40 price difference for a product with a 92% active ingredient overlap. The chemistry is nearly a clone. But to secure that $10 price point, the budget brand heavily compromises by lowering their packaging quality. The physical trade-off is that the cheap plastic tube tends to leak easily around the cap if it gets squeezed. You have to store it perfectly upright in your makeup bag. Next up are the eyes. Product 2 is a $5 tubing mascara that directly replaces the high-end brands currently dominating the market. The performance outcome of this budget mascara is flawless. You get zero flaking underneath your eyes throughout a 12-hour workday, and it slides right off with just warm water and gentle pressure at night. The physical trade-off for product 2 is the applicator itself. The wand on the $5 mascara is significantly less ergonomic. The bristles are basic, which means you have to use slower, more deliberate application strokes to avoid clumping. By accepting minor packaging inconveniences, like a leaky cap, and taking extra application time, you get the exact same aesthetic for a fraction of the cost. If you value this kind of objective, money-saving analysis that empowers your financial choices, hit the like button and subscribe right now. We cut through the marketing to help you make practical, informed decisions. Moving to the cheeks. Product 3 is a $7 budget liquid blush that is heavily pigmented. The performance outcome here is incredible. It delivers a solid 12-hour wear time and a rich color payoff that matches prestige artistry brands perfectly. The results shocked me when I first blind tested it. However, you have to pay attention to the differing physical behaviors. A luxury liquid blush gives you about 30 seconds of playtime to blend it out. The budget formula dries down and stops completely at 5 seconds. This requires a clear application trade-off. Because that budget formula sets so fast, failing to blend it immediately the second it touches your cheek results in a patchy, uneven finish. Achieving luxury-level pigmentation at a $7 price point requires you to adapt your application speed. You are shifting the effort away from your wallet and directly onto your physical blending technique. Before any makeup goes on, you need a solid base. Product 4 is our skincare prep, aiming to replace a wildly popular, heavily scented high-end hydrating primer. Look at the chemistry. These official ingredient lists show the top 5 active hydrating ingredients. The compounds doing the work are an exact match. Where do they diverge? At the bottom. The red highlights show different proprietary fragrances and preservatives. The trade-off for product 4 is clear. You are sacrificing a pleasant, signature sensory scent for raw, utilitarian hydrating performance. Finally, we finish the look. Product 5 is a budget lip gloss, coming in at an incredibly low financial input of just under $4. The trade-off for this lip product is purely tactile. You have to tolerate a flimsy, scratchy applicator wand and a lack of premium packaging. It feels incredibly cheap in your hand. In each of these 5 categories, the budget formulas provide the exact same chemical performance as their high-end counterparts. When the visual result is identical, the luxury premium pays for the brand name rather than a superior formula. Let's put this all together into a framework for your own routine, which we will call the Beauty Investment Audit. We can map these 5 budget products based on financial requirement versus aesthetic yield. All 5 sit directly in this low-cost, high-impact quadrant. Plotting their luxury counterparts shows diminishing returns immediately, a massive shift right in cost, but zero gain in visual impact. The takeaway for the budget-conscious user is straightforward. By sacrificing vanity packaging and learning to blend a little faster, you can save approximately $150 per restock cycle. For the time-poor professional, relying on this curated, chemically equivalent list allows you to skip the risky trial and error phase of drugstore shopping. You know exactly what works. Strategic aesthetic investments require funding the physiological results you wear on your face, not the unboxing experience you leave sitting in your bathroom. Technological maturity in categories like mascaras and blushes has leveled the playing field, leaving luxury brands little room to offer functional advantages. There is genuine satisfaction in choosing utility and financial responsibility over brand prestige. I want you to comment down below with the specific luxury beauty product you now realize is a financial scam. Let's build a master list so we can all make smarter choices. True elegance is achieved through smart resource allocation and refined technique, not by blindly paying the luxury tax.